Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of Fix It Jim. Today we're going to be taking a look at a desktop computer that is supposed to be needing the BIOS battery replaced. You don't hear about that too often these days because most people don't have desktop computers, and laptops have BIOS batteries also, but they oftentimes just last long enough that the people never get to the end of the life of the battery. So let's take a look here, see what we can see. So slide this off here. Maybe not slide off as easy as I'd hoped. Let's see. Whoa. This is my sister's computer. It is being stubborn. Let's see. I'm not seeing any screws. It looks like they've been removed already. And oh, there we go. Okay. Ooh, dusty. So, if we take a look right down in there, this here is the battery. And fortunately, it's just held in with a little piece of metal, easy to get out. Some of the systems back in the days actually would solder the battery down on the board, which nothing good ever comes of that. Let's see. Pull the little tab, battery pops up, and this is a CR2032. I think I have one of these. Be right back. And shiny new battery. Really goes in as easy as it is to come out. You put it in the side there, push it down till it clicks, and that's it. New battery, should save the BIOS settings for her now. And that's all there is to it. Should be a short video. Let's put the case back on. Normally I'd clean it up, but you know, time constraints. Let's see if I have a laptop to show you a battery also. So here's an old Gateway laptop I have. Let's see. Now I'm not real familiar with this, but let's take a look. There we go. And yeah, there we go. Again. Now, in my experience with laptops and some desktops, some of them will have the battery that's kind of wrapped in plastic and have a wire coming out that plugs directly in. In this case though, It's a simple board mounted battery. Again, CR2032. It's a 3-volt battery. These are really cheap, so if you ever need to replace one, it's generally that easy. You just take the oil out and put it in. If it's actually you got an old system where it's soldered on, that's a problem, but most of them not so much. But yeah, quick fix. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoy the channel, and see what else I can fix. Thanks.